Now, these indictments, they come amid an ongoing 2-year investigation into the Trump organization, which is accused of waging a fraudulent 15-year tax scheme. Now, Trump himself is not named in these charges, but the man he counted on for decades certainly was his chief financial officer. He was led into court today in handcuffs. In a 15-count indictment, the Trump Organization and Alan Weisselberg were charged with a sweeping and audacious tax scheme that compensated executives off the books to avoid paying taxes. The 73-year-old financial officer was accused of deleting company records and allegedly collected more than $1.7 million unreported compensation, including apartment rent, car payments, and school tuition. Weisselberg and the company pleaded not guilty to the charges brought by the New York Attorney General Letitia James and Manhattan DA Cy Vance.
The Attorney General's office and the District Attorney's office brought a joint prosecution here because they dislike Donald Trump.
Trump himself was not charged, but prosecutors noted he did sign some of the compensation checks at the center of the alleged scheme.
If the name of the company was something else, I don't think these charges would have been brought.
In my opinion, this is a politically motivated prosecution.
Former prosecutor and criminal defense attorney Ellen Banks agrees and feels this is an effort to get Trump employees to turn on him.
They are trying to get Alan Weisselberger to cooperate against Donald Trump. And if they can't get him to cooperate against Donald Trump, they'll try and get him to cooperate against other people within the organization who they hope will cooperate against Donald Trump.
This is the first criminal case to come out of the investigation into the former president's business dealings. Defense attorneys bolstered their argument that this case is politically motivated by asserting cases like this are usually dealt with by the IRS in a different court.
It is unusual, highly unusual, that they are doing this in the criminal courts, that the Manhattan prosecutor is prosecuting. Usually, this case would be in civil court.
We will win this case, but this case should have never been brought. It is a political prosecution.
Now, Trump immediately blasted today's action. He said it was a continuation of the witch hunt that began the day he came down the escalator here at Trump Tower. Now, that was the day he was referring to, the day back in 2015 when he announced his candidacy for president. Now, he talks about a witch hunt that is being fostered by the radical left Democrats who he claims have divided this country like never before. We're live at Trump Tower. Marvin Scott, Pix 11 News.